Companies have relied on traditional material handling systems for decades. But today's order fulfillment systems have to be fast, flexible, and scalable. The new technology, called Servus, combines storage buffering and product transport for a complete order fulfillment solution. Servus features robotic shuttles that can leave the storage buffer and transport totes or cartons anywhere within your facility, eliminating a lot of conveyor, scanners, and sorters because all cartons are carried on their own robotic shuttle to a specific destination. The robotic shuttles can be configured in a wide variety of lengths and widths and can even be outfitted with a 6-axis robot for picking. The shuttles travel on simple aluminium track at floor level or ceiling height, and inventory can be decentralized to the point of use based on SKU velocity. Applications that typically have a high return on investment with this system include e-commerce fulfillment, smart factory assembly processes, mixed pallet case selection, automated replenishment of carton flow pick modules, and kitting operations. No matter how you choose to utilize the system, Servus robotic shuttles offer speed, flexibility, space efficiency, and an excellent total cost of operations. Our team will study your material flow and see which goods-to-person system is right for your facility.